These interactive Google Slide activities are great for distance learning and paperless classrooms. There are 10 options for differentiation that you can mix and match for the needs of your classroom. This resource covers 2 topics, the Synapse as well as the Neuron. For the Synapse, there are 2 versions of this activity. For each version, the steps towards synaptic transmission are numbered from 1 to 10. The first version involves typing in the descriptions in each of the steps. This is best for teacher instruction. The second version involves dragging and dropping descriptions of each stage onto boxes of the diagram. This is best for student review and reinforcement. When it comes to the Neuron, there are 8 versions of this activity, which we'll take a closer look at next. The first 3 options are all drag and drop activities. The first option, seen in the middle, involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the yellow boxes of the diagram. The second option to your left involves dragging and dropping descriptions of the structures onto the blue boxes of the diagram. And the third option to the right involves a combination of dragging and dropping both the labels as well as the descriptions onto the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The next 3 options all involve filling in the text boxes instead of dragging and dropping. The first option, seen in the middle, allows students to type in the labels of the structures into the yellow boxes. The second option to the left involves typing in descriptions of the functions of the structures into the blue boxes. And the third option to the right involves typing in both the labels as well as the descriptions into the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The last 2 options are a combination of the drag and drop and fill in the text boxes activities. The first option, seen to the left, involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the yellow boxes, and underneath this, typing in a description of their functions. The second option to the right involves the opposite, where students will drag and drop descriptions onto the blue boxes, and above this, they will type in the labels. This resource comes with an answer key and a teacher implementation guide. Multiple activities can be used for one class. You can also use 1 or more activities for initial learning and then use others for review, reinforcement, or test prep. This product can be found in discounted bundles. Click the links to these bundles in the product description if you want to find out more.